Hi, I'm Dries Smit,
Hi, I'm Elisna Smit,
and we are from.
3D Printing and Photography Supreme.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this 4 parts video, I'm gonna show you how to make or how to model a camera mount for the Xiaomi Mijia 4K action camera. Enjoy. Okay, so my wife got a new action camera and she wants to mount it in the car. Since we didn't get any accessories with the action camera, I'm now gonna start and model something for her that we can use to mount it in the car to get some footage for her review. Okay, I have some dimensions of the camera. Let's start by jotting them down. The width of the camera is 43 millimeters, and then the length of the camera is 71 millimeters. Let's just zoom a bit out. Okay. From there on, we're gonna go and put in a fillet. Okay, from there on, we're gonna offset that to 3 millimeters. So I'm gonna take this, offset it to 3 millimeters. Okay, that will be the outside of my shell. Now we're gonna put in some lines here in the middle bottom. I'm gonna offset that 2 to each side. Take that out, trim it there so it can close. Gonna take a line from there on, take it down, make it 20 millimeters so that we can have a latch at the bottom. I'm gonna make that 3 millimeters. I'm gonna trim that one over there, close it at the bottom, make myself a center line. Like that. Mirror it to the other side. Use the other line. Accept. Okay. And just trim that one over there. That looks good. Say finish sketch. Extrude it. $23 millimeters. So accept. Okay. Now that we have this, I want this to only be 15 millimeters. So let's sketch on that side. Take the rectangular. Okay, so that the highlighted dimension must be 20 and we want that one to be 50. Okay. So I'm gonna take another triangular, put it there, delete that one that we made there. Say finish, extrude, make it so that it cuts, cut that, say okay. Now we're going to create another sketch there. I'm not sure why it doesn't want me to extrude the whole or to cut the whole section, but okay, let's do it one by one. Seven 7.5. Let's do that one again. Let's make that a break line. Cut that over there. Take that one out. Say finish. Extrude it. And okay. Next we're gonna put in a hole where our bolt will be. So and we're gonna make that a 4mm hole so that our bolt can fit through it, extrude, and okay, just to make sure all of them are there. Okay, so next we're gonna put in some stoppers over here. Let's offset that. Say about 5mm and 5mm and 5mm. 5mm, okay. And then from there on we're gonna take that one, make it 1.5mm, 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 okay. I'm gonna trim that off. That one will delete, don't need it. Don't need that one. Trim, and again. Okay, and we're gonna make that 1mm, 1mm. You can see it's all facing up. We want it to face down. And okay, And now we want that same at the bottom. So okay, so that's basically the frame. Now we're gonna need to put in some holes where all the buttons are. So let's start by charging button over here. Take the middle. And we're gonna say offset 7 and 7, and then from the top here, let's delete that little one. From here, just get a sim, and it's 19 millimeters. We extend that line, offset it, and we're gonna offset it with 12 millimeters. Okay, so I'm gonna trim. There's finish. Make a cut through again. Make that 3. So we have a cut through there. Okay. Okay, on the top, let's just mix some sure of something. Okay. So let's get a center line over here. We offset that. Come on, what's going on now? $15. And that hole is 50 millimeters. Okay. And from there on, we're gonna have offset 1.5 millimeters. So that we have 3 millimeters. And then from there on, we're gonna take 10 millimeters line, Take that one down. One point five. That out, trim that one away, trim it there, that we can delete, trim this one there, delete that, delete that, delete that, we don't need that, and from there on, I'm gonna take 15 plus 1.5 . That, delete that, trim that one over there, trim that, trim there, and then from there on that's 12 millimeters, so let's make that 6, and get a center line. Take that one, mirror it over. That's my mirror line. Apply, okay, done. Delete that, delete that, delete that. Trim, trim. Okay, and say finish. Now we're gonna extrude that one and that one. And I want that to cut. Let's just have a look at that circle over there. Goes through. Let's just make that cut a bit more. That's it. So okay. Okay, and that's the bracket for the camera. Stay tuned for part 2. Okay guys, this is this for today. If you like our channel, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.